Lupin beans are one of the oldest cultivated legumes in human history, yet they remain surprisingly underrepresented in modern food discussions. Known for their exceptionally high protein content and distinctive bitter to savory transformation, lupin beans occupy a unique space between traditional legumes and modern functional foods. Their story is deeply rooted in ancient agriculture, while their future is closely tied to sustainable nutrition and plant-based innovation. Lupin beans come from the genus Lupinus, a diverse group of plants native to the Mediterranean region, the Americas, and parts of Africa. Archaeological evidence suggests that lupins were cultivated as early as ancient Egypt and the Roman Empire. Roman farmers valued lupins not only as food but also as a soil-enriching crop, using them to improve land fertility long before modern fertilizers existed. There are many species of lupin, but only a few are commonly used for human consumption. Traditionally, lupin beans were known for their bitterness due to naturally occurring alkaloids. Early civilizations developed soaking and fermenting techniques to remove these compounds, transforming the beans into a nutritious and safe food source. Modern, sweet lupin varieties have been selectively bred to contain minimal alkaloids, making preparation easier while preserving nutritional benefits. Nutritionally, lupin beans are exceptional. They contain one of the highest protein levels among legumes, often reaching 35 to 40% protein by dry weight. This makes lupins highly attractive for people seeking plant-based protein alternatives. Unlike many legumes, lupin protein is low in starch and high in fiber, resulting in a low glycemic impact and prolonged satiety. Lupin beans are rich in dietary fiber, particularly insoluble fiber, which supports digestive health and gut microbiome balance. This fiber content contributes to improved bowel regularity and helps regulate cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that regular consumption of lupin-based foods may support cardiovascular health by reducing LDL cholesterol and improving overall lipid profiles. Another key advantage of lupin beans is their mineral composition. They are a strong source of magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and iron. These minerals are essential for muscle function, nerve signaling, bone health, and oxygen transport in the blood. Lupins also provide B-group vitamins, which play a role in energy metabolism and nervous system health. From a metabolic perspective, lupin beans are particularly valuable for people managing blood sugar levels. Their low carbohydrate content combined with high protein and fiber results in a slow digestive process. This reduces post-meal glucose spikes and promotes steady energy release, making lupins suitable for diabetic-friendly and low-carb dietary patterns. Culinarily, lupin beans have a long tradition in Mediterranean cuisine. In countries such as Italy, Portugal, Spain, and Egypt, they are commonly consumed as a salty snack, often served in brine. Their firm texture and slightly nutty flavor make them enjoyable as a standalone food or as part of mixed dishes. In Latin America, lupins are also used in traditional street foods and regional recipes. In modern cooking, lupin beans are increasingly used as ingredients rather than finished dishes. Lupin flour, made from ground beans, is gaining popularity in gluten-free and high-protein baking. It improves texture, increases protein density, and enhances satiety without significantly affecting flavor. Lupin protein isolates are also used in plant-based meat alternatives and dairy-free products. One of the most important aspects of lupin beans is their environmental value. Like other legumes, lupins fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. They are particularly effective at improving poor or sandy soils, making them valuable in crop rotation systems. This ecological benefit positions lupins as a key crop in sustainable and regenerative agriculture. Lupin plants are also drought-tolerant compared to many other protein crops. This resilience makes them suitable for cultivation in regions facing water scarcity and climate stress. As global food systems search for sustainable protein sources, lupins are increasingly recognized as a viable alternative to resource-intensive animal proteins. However, it is important to note that lupin beans can be allergenic for some individuals, particularly those with peanut allergies. While not everyone with a peanut allergy reacts to lupins, cross-reactivity is possible. This has led to increased labeling requirements in some regions, especially in Europe. Culturally, lupin beans represent adaptability and agricultural wisdom. Their long history of cultivation demonstrates how humans learned to transform challenging raw ingredients into nourishing foods. The techniques developed to debitter lupins are examples of early food science, passed down through generations. In contemporary nutrition science, lupins are often described as a future protein. Their combination of high protein, low starch, environmental benefits, and functional versatility makes them ideal for addressing modern challenges such as food security, sustainability, and health-conscious diets. In conclusion, lupin beans are not just another legume. They are a bridge between ancient agriculture and future-focused nutrition. With their exceptional protein content, soil-enriching properties, and growing role in plant-based innovation, lupin beans deserve far greater attention in both kitchens and conversations about the future of food.